Welcome to the Buy Donegal Business Repository tutorial series. This is the second video as part of a series and will focus on how to add Buy Donegal related special offers for your business. So you've now created your business listing and the Buy Donegal team have reviewed and published it. The next step will be to add a special offer for your business. Our team will post on social media platforms weekly about the Buy Donegal specific special offers which are displayed on our site. So to log into the portal, click on Business Portal on the top right of donegal.ie. From there, you can log in through the button on the right-hand side. Enter your credentials and click Login. You're now into the repository. You should see your business listing here. For this case, we have Test Business. On the left-hand side, you can see the tab for Offers. Click on Offers. As you can see here, I've currently got 2 offers added, and there's only a maximum of 2 offers which can be published per provider. So I'm going to delete the first offer. And next, I'm going to click on Add New Offer to add a new offer for my business. So for the offer name, we'll go with Test by Donegal Offer in this case. For the business name, we can go with Test Business. The location, for now, we can just use Lifford. For a description, we can add some more details about the offer. In this case, I'll add the following text. Click here to receive 50% off your next order and use Buy Donegal at the checkout. Where possible, we recommend including the discount code Buy Donegal, and this will enable us to track the purchases over the campaign. For offer type, we can leave that blank as that is only for tourism businesses. We can also decide when the offer is available from and when it's available to, when it will be published from and when it will be published to. For price, we have one of 3 options here. We can include a statement, a range, or a price itself. For example, we can use a price of €65. We could add a range of 65 to €100, or in this case, a statement's more appropriate. So what we'll do is we'll use 50% off using hashtag Buy Donegal at the checkout. For a URL, this needs to be the URL which links to your offer. So in this case, we'll just use buydonegal.com. And lastly, we'll have to add an image for our special offer. Please note that all the images must be between 700 and 600 px, so they appear perfect on our website, and under 3 megabytes to ensure quick loading times. So if we click Upload directly, we can upload an image from our computer. The image will start to load, and then your listing will refresh. Click Save Changes, and we'll be notified that you've added a new special offer. The Donegal team will review it, and then we'll publish it. So, where does the special offer go once you're finished? After about 12 hours or so, your business listing should update and your special offer should appear. In this case, we'll go to the business Lavisha, who currently has a special offer added. And once we go to their page, we can click on Special Offer, and their business list or their business offer appears down here. Similarly with Filligans, if we click on Special Offer, their listing will appear at the bottom. The listings will also appear within the Buy Donegal section of the website. Click on Buy Donegal, scroll down, and all special offers will appear on the right-hand side. So, you're done. As mentioned, please allow up to 12 hours for your special offer to appear. And if you have any issues or queries, please do not hesitate to email info@donegal.ie.